Our next stock is ELB, the old E.L. Bateman. It's a solution provider in the mining and minerals energy area. They are a specialist with regard to installing particular supply chain and other construction equipment and metallurgical equipment that's used by capital spenders, people that are looking at material handling solutions. So, for example, a mine would bring them in. They're also involved actively in the power station process where they build sub-components of Eskom plants that handle the coal on the way in or the ash on the way out, that kind of thing. It's a smaller player, but it has done well. It's got a market cap now of 1.5 billion rand, a price to earnings ratio of 10.3, dividend yield of 2.37. Yeah, it's got also a great CEO, Stephen Myers, who's a running friend of mine, I must personally disclose. So it's done nicely. I mean, the share price chart, let's quickly get it up right now. It reveals how they've done well. They've incorporated that company BWI, and they've built it from a share price there below 10 Rand a share to one close to 40.
Yes. I think for me, if you want to consider investment into the specific sector of capital equipment, this is the most exciting company to be invested in. They are also partnered now with SAPI in the building of a power plant close to there in Gondwana. Plant or whatever, and yeah, I think if they're successful with this, they could potentially be the partner for engineering, construction and procurement on these sort of programs going forward in South Africa. Definitely somewhere or an area in South Africa that we want to place a lot of focus on with the current situation of load shedding. So this could be beneficial for them that they are playing in that sort of area as well.
Okay, good. So it's another reminder that you know, a smaller player, even in a tough industry, if they're well run, have good senior people and have a good internal culture, can actually take market share away from global competitors.
I agree.
Because they compete mostly with international firms like Fluor and Kentz and so on, who do this sort of thing for companies around the world. So I'm inclined, in fact, to go hot on this one.
I'm actually going to join you there.
So it may be that it's perhaps a little small for the time with regard to our portfolio, but certainly looks to me like a hot player and something to watch.
Yeah, it seems like a hot company. It's you know, it kind of like goes into the niche areas where they can exploit making money, which that's what we like.
Excellent. So we're going hot on them. And